Hello, my name is Farina. I am studying business administration. Today I want to talk of the magnitude is knowing a second language such as English and primarily for a business manager. Today English is considered as essential tool for professional development. The workforce is demanding more and more. Professionals to have very well-founded expertise and more. If we refer to administrator, who has to deal with different people and is most likely they are foreign to have to travel on business to our country. It's very evident that the people who run the English language their job opportunity extended more. In this era where modernism is a business opportunity are the order of the days. But this does not mean that activate good locator in the post. Do not forget also its offerings for a job of competitive is so opportunity that here. Many university administration professionals graduating but its language does not handle their job opportunity and over the women are reduced by handling this language as a plus the offer in an addition to have knowledge you already have. Mention and as above with all the progress and all the challenge that business inspiring the knowledge of extra language is absolutely essential. And not pretend that we know everything because remember that learning is constant. Not although that might happen in the future for a business manager who does not speak English and just simply not get the job because they are experting they can do and this logic to a more prepared. Personally, for me to learn this language is essential, required as they will simply be a manager but the focus my career. The relate to dealing with tourists if I have to show my country how to prepare to do it or what's the situation in my online company. I have to go to other country for business or even vacation. Hence, the English is will study more bilingual. I have my own well-foundedness. Also, if you only know the English culture generally, my skill be higher. And as bilingual will have more opportunity for professional development. I have to do actual and taking lesson English, practice in okay and better my English for keep constantly learn improving my skills. Okay, thank you for attention and I hope it is useful and for English. Thank you. Bye.